Hi guys, this is Katie, and I'm going to be talking to you today about self-image and identity online. What is an identifier? It is a way of referring to a collection of a person's characteristics or what is described as a partial identity or persona. This is what websites and search engines use to maintain information about your identity online. What use do they get from this? Once you are assigned an identifier, they store it in your browser as a cookie. This cookie then uses information to link together your characteristics of yourself, creating an identity for you online. It then tags you in things that may or may not be accurate to your true identity, such as like when you look up a pair of shoes online, it's why typically it'll show up again on your Instagram or your Facebook because you've previously looked at it, and it will use the rest of the information you look up and make inferences based on previous searches to show you things that you may not see otherwise. Some good use and bad use for this would be, some good use would be that it can help regulate and find a pattern for your interests. It can also be used to detect fraud, and it also protects interests of yourself. Some bad use, on the other hand, could be that it is illegally used and someone finds this information and commits fraud. These keys can be accessed by the wrong people, and others can find or have personal information that you may not want them having. Why is online safety of self-identification important? Everything you search goes into a database. Every picture that is uploaded online is saved, whether you delete it or not. If it has already been downloaded or saved on another device, it cannot be removed. And online databases can be a very vulnerable place for individuals if they aren't careful. And to finish, how can you protect your online identity? Keeping passwords private, don't share them with others. Keep your personal information personal, meaning if you wouldn't want someone that isn't close to you knowing it, then you probably shouldn't be posting it. Be cautious when interacting in digital relationships. Make sure you're securing your email and make sure it's not overflowing with unwanted messages. And if you see a message that you aren't sure who it's from, if you are emailing someone, make sure that you're staying in contact with them and making sure they did email you so you avoid opening hacker messages. Thank you for listening.